Here we have a 2009 CBR 600RR. If you're looking to check the antifreeze level, these are liquid cooled engines. If you're gonna really get a good idea what it is, you can either try to peer between the headers here, because the reservoir is located right, if you're sitting on the bike, on the right hand side in front of the engine. So you can either try to peer through the side behind the tire. The easiest way is to just pull the fairing off. There's 8 bolts here that have a take a 5mm hex wrench to pull off the fairing. Once the fairing's removed, it gives you a really good visual of what's going on here. The reservoir, you've got, you know, the lower upper range that your antifreeze should be at. So that's where you find the reservoir. That's how you check it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. Good luck with your project and have a great day.